Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Trade 909 to cTrader. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple. We go to Brokers, Load More, select the T right there, and then we go to Open Account at Trade 909. So we go to Open Account. Then right here, we are here on their page. And what you need to know that if you create yourselves an account right here on Trade 909, you need to use the same email address that you are using in your cTrader account. So if you go to cTrader, click right in the top, you need to use this email address for that account. Then after that, if you're creating yourselves an account, make sure that you select at platform type right there, cTrader. So those two things are the most important things that you need to do. So fill in the correct email address, select the correct platform type, cTrader. And then once you finish your account registration, you can go to cTrader, select right in the top the list right here with the accounts. And then your broker, Trade 909, will pop up right here in this list. So I already did this for FX Pro, FP Markets, FTMO, Fusion Markets, and IC Markets. And cTrader has a automatically sync to their application. So make sure that you do all these steps that I told you. And then after that, you can connect your Trade 909 successfully to cTrader. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.